How's everybody doing? It's about 3:30 p.m. on Wednesday, June 11th. So this coming Saturday, June 14th, is Little Donnie Two Scoops Pervert Hoover's military parade in Washington, D.C. There's going to be a day-long festival on the National Mall from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. And the parade starts at around 6:30 p.m. local time. Also, after, let's see, starting in the afternoon, starting at 2 p.m., there's a 70% chance of rain with thunderstorms and lightning progressing into the evening hours. 70% chance of rain, lightning, and thunderstorms in the Washington, D.C. area Saturday, right around the time that Fat Nixon's military parade is going to start. Who needs protesters when you got thunderstorms?